Hey sisters, welcome to our prom makeup made easy step-by-step guide. Prom is such a special night, and we want you to feel absolutely gorgeous. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to achieve a stunning prom look using claymation. You guys know I love to experiment and have fun with makeup, so we're gonna bring this whole routine to life in a super cute and easy to follow way. Get ready to slay, boo! Alright babes, we gotta start with a clean canvas. Your skin is like a beautiful painting and we need to prep it properly. So grab your favorite cleanser. I'm loving the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser right now, because it's gentle yet effective. It doesn't strip your skin of its natural oils, which is super important. Apply a small amount to your damp face and gently massage it in circular motions. This helps to really get into those pores and wash away all the day's dirt and oil. Take your time with this step, it's almost like giving yourself a mini facial. Make sure you rinse it off really well, and then pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Don't rub, just pat. Rubbing can irritate your skin and cause redness, and we definitely don't want that. Okay, now that our skin is squeaky clean, let's give it some love with a moisturizer. Moisturizing is key to keeping your skin hydrated and plump. I'm obsessed with the Tatcha the water cream right now because it's super lightweight but still super hydrating. It feels like a splash of water on your face, which is so refreshing. Smooth it all over your face and neck, making sure to cover every inch. Your neck needs love too. This will create a perfect base for the rest of your skincare and makeup routine. And there you have it, a clean and moisturized canvas ready for primer. Primer, it's the unsung hero of any makeup routine, the secret weapon that can make or break your look. Whether you're heading to a special event or just want your makeup to last all day, primer is your best friend. This is key, you guys, especially for a long night like prom. Imagine dancing the night away, and your makeup still looks flawless by the end of it. That's the magic of a good primer. Primer creates a smooth base for your makeup, helps it last longer and prevents it from creasing or sliding around. It fills in fine lines and pores, giving you that perfect canvas to work on. No more worrying about your makeup melting off halfway through the night. My go-to is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. This little gem is a game changer. It's got a gel formula that grips your makeup and keeps it in place all day long. It's super hydrating and gives your skin this gorgeous, dewy finish. Perfect for that fresh, glowing look we all love. Plus, it's packed with good-for-you ingredients like aloe water and hyaluronic acid. Just take a little bit on your fingertips and massage it all over your face. Focusing on your T-zone where you tend to get oily, a little goes a long way so you don't need much. Make sure to blend it well for an even application. Now let's let that baby sink in for a minute while we move on to foundation. Giving it a minute to set ensures that it forms a perfect base for your foundation, making it last longer and look better. Trust me, this step is worth the wait. Okay sisters, it's foundation time. Today, we're diving deep into the world of flawless foundation application. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a seasoned pro, these tips will help you achieve that perfect base every single time. Remember, you want to choose a foundation that matches your skin tone perfectly. This is the first and most crucial step. Test a few shades on your jawline and see which one disappears into your skin. That's your perfect match. Don't try to go too light or too dark because it'll look cakey and unnatural. Trust me, no one wants that. A mismatched foundation can ruin your entire look, making it obvious that you're wearing makeup. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation today because it has amazing coverage and lasts all night long. It's perfect for those long days or nights out when you need your makeup to stay put. I'm gonna apply it with a damp beauty sponge because it gives the most flawless, airbrushed finish. The dampness helps to blend the foundation seamlessly into your skin, making it look like a second skin. Start by blending it from the center of your face outwards. This technique ensures that the foundation is concentrated where you need the most coverage, and then diffuses outwards for a natural look. And don't forget to blend down your neck. This step is essential to avoid any harsh lines and to make sure your face and neck are the same color. A seamless blend is key to a flawless finish. Now, let's conceal any imperfections and brighten up those under eyes. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer because it's super pigmented and covers up everything. I'm gonna use a lighter shade under my eyes to brighten up the area, and a shade that matches my foundation to cover up any blemishes or redness. Just dot it on where you need it and blend it out with a damp beauty sponge or a small brush. And remember, A little goes a long way with this concealer. Sisters, we do not want our makeup moving all night long. That's why we're setting our base with a translucent powder. I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder because it's super finely milled and doesn't leave any flashback in photos. Just dip your powder brush in, tap off the excess, and gently press it into your skin, focusing on your T-zone and under your eyes. This will help to keep everything in place and prevent shine. Now it's time to add some color and dimension back into our face. I'm using the NARS blush in Orgasm because it gives the prettiest peachy pink flush to the cheeks. Just smile and apply it to the apples of your cheeks, blending it upwards towards your temples. For bronzer, I'm using the Benefit Hoola Matte Bronzer to create a natural-looking tan and sculpt my cheekbones. Suck in your cheeks and apply it to the hollows, blending it upwards towards your hairline. And don't forget to blend, blend, blend. And finally, sisters, we're setting our makeup with a setting spray to make sure it lasts all night long. I'm obsessed with the Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting Makeup Setting Spray because it really does hold everything in place. Just shake it up really well and mist it all over your face in an X and T motion. Now let it dry completely before you get dressed, and you're good to go. And that's it, sisters. You are now officially ready to slay your prom night. I hope you guys enjoyed this claymation makeup tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tutorials. Don't forget to tag me in your prom photos. I want to see all your gorgeous looks. Have an amazing prom night. Bye.